Barbie Fortesa update.
Thank you so much for coming sa aming intimate press con for Until She Remembers. I'm inviting all of you to please watch it in Cinema Nationwide come February 25.
Yan, February 25 na. Ito yung interview kay Barbie.
You're so lucky. Yes, lucky is the right word. I am very lucky and privileged, I would even say, to be working with these three brilliant filmmakers of our industry. Isa po ito sa napakalaking career milestone na feeling ko hanggang sa kaapu-apuhan ko ay ipagmamalaki ko. And ang masasabi ko lang po ay working with these three brilliant artists. Napaka-laki po ng kanilang pangalan sa ating industriya, pero once they step on the set, wala lahat yun. Napaka-humble, down to earth, and everyone's just ready to work. Lahat para sa pelikula, lahat para sa ikabago ng story. Kaya I am very grateful to be part of this very wonderful project.
Yun, no? Ano dahil sinabi ni Barbie?
Hi!
During Netflix event.
Yes! Thank you.
Yung ganyan kabait si Barbie.
My definition of a perfect Christmas is quality time with my family in the best of health.
Yung nakita ni Agent Dick, si Barbie, medyo inawi niya. Ay, ang ganda pa nga ni Barbie. Ang sa post ni Miss Tony Avila during Netflix event. Naka-all black outfit si Barbie, yun, no? Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.